Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one pot recipe which is for breakfast or school tiffin box, and along with that I will be sharing few preparation for the month of Ramadan. Also, I will be taking you to shopping to Dollarama. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure consider subscribing to my channel. Also, hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Now quickly let's get started with the making of the breakfast or the school tiffin box recipe. I have taken enough oil. To that I added one large onion roughly chopped, fry it until golden brown, and then I will be adding ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala and tomato. Tomato was large 1 tomato and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Salt to taste. Nicely give it a good mix and fry it well. Now I am adding veggies. In veggies I have taken carrot and beans and handful of chicken pieces. Vegetarian can omit chicken pieces and go with the n number of veggies you want, like green peas, corn, potato, anything you like will perfectly fit into this recipe. I have added 2 cups of macaroni and 4 cups of water, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of mint powder. Nicely give it a good mix. If you have fresh mint, well and good. I am having mint powder from my backyard. That's what I am using. Nicely give it a good mix, and only one steam is more than enough for this recipe. Otherwise you will end up making overcooked pasta. This is the tip. Instantly take it off the flames, and in a little while you open the pressure cooker also. Don't leave it too much time getting it cooked inside. Instantly give it a good mix, otherwise it will become like a lump. Now you can see our pasta is very much ready. This was for breakfast and school tiffin box. Perfect recipe, very quick. In 10 minutes you can prepare this recipe. Now we are going to Dollarama. Dollarama is a place where you will get very cheap products. Anything you name it you will get for your house, either it be kitchen, living room, nice for decoration or even for cleaning purposes. Anything, whatever you name it, you will get in Dollarama. That too at a very lowest price. I know it starts with $1 and it ends with $5. I think nothing more than that you will find. All the prices are very reasonable and the quality is not very great, but it is okay. You can manage all this stuff. Mostly all cleaning stuff, this kind of organization, everything is very affordable. I have come to buy a few boxes for organizing my freezer. In the month of Ramadan, lot of things we will freeze and everything will be clutter. So I thought according to the size of your freezer, you can choose the boxes and you can organize. Same way, even if you want to organize your closets, cupboards, for all that also you will get nice baskets. Even for gift items baskets, that also will be very nice. All gift packing materials, even for decorating your house. N number of things you can find in Dollarama. Dollarama is the one spot where you can find affordable things at a very best price. Here in Dollarama you will also find food items, but which I never prefer to buy because the quality I have heard will be very low, and for food items and all I will never prefer that. But these kind of things and all very nice. That's how I end up buying only for organizing fridge items especially. Instantly when I came home, I started organizing my freezer. In freezer, all these bags were just lying around. I was not able to manage. I have to every time pull out everything and keep searching for. That's how these boxes and baskets will be very easy for us to just pull out any basket you want. Veggies, cut veggies, one basket, or non-veg, one basket, chicken separate basket or mutton separate basket. Like that only I organized, and it's very neat and clean to look at. And still I have some place here and there by the sides and even in the front of the baskets also I can keep more things. For the month of Ramadan, I have some more flat boxes. I will be sharing then and there when I keep them. Now let's move on to making of garam masala. For that I have taken clove powder, cinnamon powder. All these were powders already I have, which I will be using for making the basic garam masala. That is jeera powder. Handful of cardamom I have taken. In that jeera powder, cinnamon powder and this clove powder all together. I will just run it in the mixer and our basic normal garam masala will be very much ready. From a little long time I had all those different powders like clove, cinnamon and all. That's why this time I am not taking whole spices, just all those spices together. I am just mixing and making the garam masala. Like this 2 to 3 times I made it and our normal garam masala is ready. Now I have taken handful of cardamom, in that 5 bay leaf, 1 nutmeg, 2 star anise, 3 black cardamom, 2 mace and 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, 1 tablespoon of saunf, 1 tablespoon normal jeera, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seed, 1 teaspoon of clove powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 gram of saffron. See, this is a special zafrani garam masala I am preparing. Now only nutmeg alone I will take it and break down into small pieces, otherwise you will end up breaking your mixer jar blade. That's why I am just doing this, and now I will be grinding all these together into a fine powder. As you prepare it, you will feel very aromatic fragrances around you and it's a very flavorful zafrani garam masala. I use this in many of my dishes, in special dishes or during the time of party, especially in biryani and all. Final touch I will be adding this garam masala, and even while making korma or even malai tikka. Special things only I use that zafrani garam masala. Otherwise I use the normal garam masala. Now jeera powder and all, one time I make a little bigger batch. Just I am refilling the bottle, jeera powder and even chaat powder. All through the month of Ramadan we need it. That also I am going to refill. Now all these are basic preparations which we can make and keep ahead of time. Don't need to be hurrying at the end of the preparation. All the powdered masalas are ready. Now one important powder masala, which is the next recipe. This is the pakoda mix. For that I have taken besan and rice flour. Besan and rice flour are the basic ingredients for this. The proportion I am going to use is 2:1. 2 portion of the besan and 1 portion of the rice flour. How much ever besan you take, right? Half of that portion you take rice flour. Little extra besan also can be, no problem. Nicely I will be adding lot of spices in that. That is 1 tablespoon of jeera and that is turmeric 1 tablespoon, 2 to 3 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of hing. 2 bunches of curry leaves I dried and kept it ready. Now I will be adding all of it. Little only I am showing on the plate. Rest of the curry leaves also I crushed and added. Evening itself I prepared some bhajis and saw in that little bit salt was less. After that I added 1 more tablespoon of salt to this same spice blend. This pakoda mix is a game changer in the month of Ramadan. If you prepare and keep all through the month of Ramadan, easily you can prepare bhaji, bonda, pakoda, all South Indian dishes these are other than pakoda. Nice, lovely spice mix. Even if it is remaining from the month of Ramadan, right? You can prepare kadhi pakode also with this. Just simply you have to blend it with the yogurt and make kadhi, and then you can make pakodas also with the same. For making pakodas, bondas and bhajis and all, you just simply have to add water. No need to add anything else. Very quick and easy. You can work in the iftar time. Instantly in the evening for tea, I prepared some plantain bhajis. Bhaji is nothing but any veggie or anything you take, dip it in this basin and you fry it. It's called bhaji. That is South Indian word for that type of pakodas. Onion means onion pakoda. Bonda is also something different. I will share in the month of Ramadan. That's all for today. I hope you found this video very informative and useful. Today itself, all of you can prepare all this stuff and keep. Next week onwards, it's going to be hectic preparing much more lot of things. I will be sharing as it goes. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.